Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kainoa coming at you guys again this week with another video. And as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a room tour. And if you guys haven't spotted the elephant in the room on why I'm doing a room tour, it is because not only did I redecorate, but I painted my room white. If this is your guys' first time seeing me and you guys haven't watched any of my previous videos, my room was actually blue and now it's white. Bango. I rearranged my room and
I feel like a brand new bitch.
new room, new me. So I figured because I did redecorate and repaint my room and just do all of that fun rearranging stuff, that I do a room tour. So I figured, you know, yeah, let's do it. Like, I rearranged my room to have that aesthetic background. Like, look at that behind me. Doesn't it just look great? I'm so happy that I did it. I'm just so excited just to, like, show it off, you know? But of course, before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you know, yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this room tour. Okay guys, and welcome to my room. On this wall right over here, I have a bunch of things hung up. I have my nicely aligned hats. I have posters. A lot of the posters that I have on my wall are from volleyball and school. And you know, yeah, beanies. I have things hung up just to give it that cute little aesthetic. I have succulents, my cologne, little postery things, whatever, hanging up. And then I also have emojis to give it that little pop of color. Then there's this picture that I thought I looked like, but I don't look like that and I can't draw. But I wish I looked like that, but I don't. But that's, you know, that's what I think I look like. Then there's this frame of me and all my friends from elementary. And, you know, it's just great. It's lovely to see. And then, you know, I got all my Christmas lights set up and it just looks really nice. Then I have this shelf right here and, you know, I just love it. So this shelf on the bottom row, I have my camera things. Second row, I keep this box for like change. This second shelf, I have all my jewelry inside and watches. It's just to put things away so it doesn't look all cluttered. And this fourth shelf right over here, I have my glasses, bracelets, and things that I just use on the daily that I try to keep, you know, easy to access. And then we have this top shelf. It's a bunch of pictures. So this first small little picture is a picture of me and my dad. Then that big picture behind it is of me at the race car show because my parents did race cars and they do make custom motorcycles. Then there's my dog that's dead. And then I need a picture of my current dog to put in the bottom because that's cute. And this little heart thing right here, it is supposed to be my baby handprint, but my parents did my footprint instead. I would show you guys, I'm gonna try and show you guys, but you can't really see it because it is pretty light. Bango! And then I have my broken mirror. I have my broken mirror on this side, then I also have one on the other side of my room, so I have two. It fell on my friend during my birthday party and you know, yeah. These posters are great. This black one is from my friend Ileana. Then the second poster that says congratulations Warren is from my friend Mehana. Then I have this squid hat. This squid hat is great. I love it. It's just great and I just don't know what to say about it, but it's great, you know? Then I have this shelf. This shelf has some of my shoes. These are 5 pairs. I have like 20 something pairs of shoes, but the rest of my shoes are actually under my bed. Then I have my bed. It's like a small couch bed, but I usually leave it as a bed just, you know, because. And I just actually bought a memory foam mattress to make it make it feel a lot more comfortable. So it is very soft, it's very comfy. Then we have my shelf with my TV and stuff. So I have my Xbox 360, then I have my Xbox One. Then I have like, I don't know what that is, like streamers because I'm gay. And my Samsung Smart TV. I have my lamp and some lanyards with my keys and stuff on top. Behind there, I have my hats and a couple of posters and yes. And then right in there is my closet. It's a pretty tight squeeze, but I can get in there. Not like I go in there all the time, but that's where I keep my clothes and things like that. Then I have this top shelf right over here that me and my parents built a long time ago. It's just where we keep like things that we just don't really use. But anyways guys, that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you know, yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to have a great day and I'll see you guys later. Bye!